Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 2 of my copper hair video tutorial, whatever. I'm about to get started into this video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started.
I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you care, done. I want my, I want my, I want my nails done. I want my, I want my, I want my, I want my hair done, my hair, and if you care, done.
Okay, so this is after I bleached it. I'm really upset about this, but hopefully when I color it, I'm so upset. Like, you see all blonde and then these little black spots. But yeah, but this is after I bleached it. Ooh, this is so bright. Oh my goodness. So instead of doing the L'Oreal highlights, because I realized it's supposed to be for dark hair, and then I bleached my hair. So I'm not trying to damage my hair even more. So I went and got these two colors, Paprika and Intense Red. So it's mostly going to be the Paprika, this one, with a splash of the Intense Red. So I'm gonna mix it into a cup, and then I'm gonna put it on my head. I mix the color, and then I added a little bit of conditioner in there. So while it's setting in my hair, it kind of, you know, conditions a little bit. You should probably put some Vaseline along the hairline so it doesn't stain. But I don't think I have any right now. So just gonna have to be extra careful. So far it's looking like pretty solid. And put a towel on. You know, I'm just being very careless. And I shouldn't be. So this is, I finished putting it on. I'm about to go to the bathroom to check to see if I missed any spots, but I'm loving the color so far. So let's see. So I tell you guys, I love this color. Can you kind of see? So I just finished washing it, conditioning it a little bit, and combed it out. So I am gonna flat iron and blow dry it, but I gotta wait until I go home. I love this color so much. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I go outside, but this is where I'm at so far. I'm so excited. So this is my hair below dry. This is my hair blow dried. Oh, I'm so upset about this one little spot though. But I'm about to flat iron it. So let's see. Okay guys, so I finished, I guess 75% of my hair, flat iron it. I just want to show you. So this is what it's looking like so far. I guess you can kind of see the lighting is terrible, but this is what it's looking like. But I want to show you guys the products that I'm putting in my hair. So this is from the blow dry. I haven't put anything in here, but before I flat iron, I do like the small sections and I spray a little bit of this. It's some flat iron spray, and then I brush it through, and then I add in some of the pressing oil. So I'm hoping, you know, after I wrap my hair up and I take it out tomorrow, that a little bit of the grease goes away, because it is a little heavy, like it's a little stiff, but it's flat iron, like I can comb through, so it's like, it's not bad, but my hair is thick. But I'm about to show you guys, I'm about to do the last section of my hairs. I look crazy. Alright guys, so this is my hair flat ironed or pressed or whatever you call it. I might go back and do a couple of my roots or put some curls in it later too, but this is what I'm at. Hey guys, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit my subscribe button, the like button, and turn my bell on for more notifications. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.